Hey guys, how's it going? This is Danesh here with you and we are at Jumbo World. Today we bring an exclusive product, something so unique and a name you haven't heard in a long time. This is Vaio. Vaio is back in the market and this is their ultra durable, ultra luxury, ultra high-end product. This is the Vaio Z Signature Edition. All right, now there's a lot to see, so let's quickly jump into the box itself. So first up, here's the laptop itself. Oh, that is super light. Let's come back to that in a second, yeah? Okay, inside the box, we've got the cables, okay? Pretty slim, pretty sleek. Seems like a nice long cable. That's always good. And we have got some more cables. But apart from that, I think that's pretty much everything inside the box. Now there's a lot to check out on this beautiful laptop. So let's start with the most important thing first. This size. Look at this. Slim, lightweight, 14-inch display. But why is that? Because this is a carbon fiber body. The Vaio Z sports a chassis comprising solely of carbon fiber, which makes it ultra lightweight and ultra thin. It has a 180-degree lay flat hinge and USB Type-C ports on both sides. As you open the laptop up, you get to see this nice 14-inch 4K display, right? I mean, that just attracts you right away. The Vaio Z's 4K display also produces cinema-grade color gamut. A nice little thing I can notice here is the little shutter that's on top for the webcam. I really do like when laptops integrate that right into the laptop. A good addition on their Vaio. The laptop is power driven by 11th generation Intel Core H series processors, which are the i7-11375H. With a speed of 5 GHz and memory of up to 32 GB, it also comes with Intel's Iris Xe graphics. Storage is 2 TB SSDs with reading and writing speeds up to 6 GB per second. Now, from what I can see over here, you seem to have a pretty nice keyboard. There seems to be enough travel. It's all backlit. And it's a full keyboard, most importantly, so your function road hasn't gone anywhere. That's really nice. You've got this hinge that opens up the laptop from the bottom, I'm guessing to give some space for cooling. That's really nice. On the overall, I can see a lot of things that most people should like. The incredible Vaio Z Signature Edition is available in Jumbo for dirhams 18,399. Now, there are a bunch of reasons why you should be buying them from Jumbo. First and foremost is Jumbo's 4-hour delivery. You buy it online now, it can be delivered to you in just 4 hours. Another option you have is curbside collect, where you come into the mall, order it online, and they deliver it to you on the curb while you're sitting in your car. Third is click and collect, which as obviously means that you buy it online and come and collect it in the store. Last but not least, don't forget to check out Jumbo Salama. Jumbo Salama is the brand's extended warranty program and is definitely something you should consider when buying something like this. We hope you like this video. Don't forget to click on that like button and thank you very much for watching.